So my week decided to kick off with a bang, or more like a choke. I woke up with my throat trying to swell shut again. Not I again? Oh yes, again. The whole thing started deep in my armpit, a very painful spot for me, but Miss Hay doesn't care or even ask. Naturally, the swelling came with its usual entourage, nausea, a stomach that felt like it was housing a 20-pound human, so off to the ER I went. Got my meds and sat there on the edge of the bed wondering if this was going to having a happy ending. After sitting there for a few hours, the swelling shifted away from my throat, thankfully, but then just parked itself smack dab on my chest. Not exactly a relief, but at least I wasn't panicking about waking up tied to a hospital bed again. Been there, done that, not a fan. The chest pressure still made breathing feel like a chore, but the anxiety dialed down a notch knowing I wasn't about to suffocate in my sleep. After a few hours of being observed, poked, questioned, and generally treated like a medical mystery, I hit my limit. I pulled the all against medical advice move and peaced out. Yada yada, sis boom, suck it. I wanted my own bed, my own blanket, and 0 fluorescent lights. I managed to drift off for a bit, thinking maybe I'd get some rest. Nope. I was rudely awakened by a sharp stabbing pain in my chest that felt like a heart attack audition. I sat up, panicked, bracing for the worst, and then realised it wasn't my heart. Oh no. Even better. My right boob had decided to go full diva, swollen, tight, angry. The skin was stretched so taut, I genuinely thought my nipple might split open like a ripe tomato. Cute, right? And of course, it's always just one. Why is that? Why can't both boobs get in on the action, or both butt cheeks? Why does my body insist on this lopsided nonsense? So now I'm either sitting tilted like a broken lawn chair, or walking around looking like Dolly Parton on one side, and Pardon Me on the other. It's a look. Not a good one, but a look. Anyway, I'm going to attempt sleep round 2. Fingers crossed the swelling doesn't decide to relocate again, or throw a tantrum in a new body part. Living one swell at a time.